If you want to use the Google Gemini for translation purpose, the language translation purpose, let's see how you can give the commands to your Gemini. I just opened the Gemini app. So you just click this mic icon. Hey Gemini, when I said about you need to translate English to Tamil, don't use the Tanglish language, only use English and Tamil. Keep that in mind. So you need to mention the word, keep that in mind, or save this to your memory, something like that. Here you can see I have noted that for all future translation between English and Tamil. Here's the thing, English and Tamil meaning. So which is my regional language and this is English. In case if you want to remove this, the command, you need to tell erase this in the mind or erase this on your saved networks or storage, something like that. So that's it. This is how you need to use the Gemini for translation purpose. And if you want to know more videos about Gemini, you need to watch this playlist.